free traffic for free members. That is a holy grail offer. And I have to admit, when Master Affiliate Profits announced that they were removing the free traffic for free member option from the enrollment process, I was devastated. I had videos created. I had envisioned being able to sign up free members at a rapid rate. And so rather than roll up in a ball and cry, I reached out to my connections. And I'm pleased to announce that any of my team members that enroll through my affiliate link or one of my members' affiliate links now can offer free traffic for free members. And yes, that includes you if you join as a free member. You're going to be able to build your list using this free traffic giveaway. And it is the unicorn offer. And so let me explain it to you. So we'll take a moment here. Let me switch screens and I'll show you what this is all about. You're about to see something that quite frankly blew my mind, and I'm sure it'll blow your mind. Many of you know that as a member of my team, if you join my team or a member of my team, you are entitled to a free $5,000 YouTube viral funnel. Now, this add-on allows you to create a free membership course that is SEO optimized and is designed to become a traffic magnet. This pulls in free organic traffic, and when you get this bonus, you automatically get 3 full membership sites. And that traffic that comes in will be automatically entered into the database of your membership site. And that membership database can be used to drive traffic to your Master Affiliate Profits site. And I'm giving you giveaway rights to give any of your free members 3 full membership sites. And you can give away unlimited numbers of what I'm about to demonstrate for you. So let's go ahead and create a course. So we're going to give this a site name. I'm just going to call it Demo Traffic Site. And you just have to type in, because the artificial intelligence needs to know what you're trying to do. So let's say 5 things to avoid as a beginner in affiliate marketing. So that's all we've typed in there, and we hit go. What that's done is the artificial intelligence has started to go to work. So the first thing we end up with is the option to actually create the sales page, or the page on which they will enroll. Okay, so we're going to create a welcome message here. Welcome to my affiliate marketing course. We're going to keep the price as $0, and we're just going to update the settings. Now we can go create, edit sales page, and you can add a sales video, and you can put in content here. So what we're going to do is we're going to create the headline. Oh, look at that. It created the headline, and we'll create the content. This is all artificial intelligence doing this for you. It gives you the welcome to our e-training on affiliate marketing, gives you an overview, and it gives you the 5 things to do. We're going to save those changes. Okay, it says page saved. And now we're going to go over to the next section, which is site sections. So here we have, if you see the red star, that means that the content hasn't been created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on this and force the AI to go to work for me right now. Okay, as you can see, all the little red dots turned green, and we have all of our sections done. So let's take a look at the first section. Introduction to Affiliate Marketing. Here you can add a video code, so your course can have a video in it. And so if you wanted to add your Master Affiliate Profits link, you can do that there. So as you can see, I've added in a mock-up for a Master Affiliate Profits link right here. You can change anything you want on this page. All you have to do now is hit save and then exit. Go back to site sections and you can edit all of the pages in your course. And this is an incredibly, incredibly powerful tool because you're creating a membership site that has a built-in database that is SEO optimized, and the more overall number of courses create an SEO optimized environment, and the more collective free organic traffic each of these courses will receive. And so as we give away more 3 membership site courses to free members, we create more and more traffic to our global group, my group. And because I'm giving you giveaway rights, this is an incredibly powerful option. Okay, so we're back at the beginning. Our site's all created, and now I'm going to show you what the finished product looks like. So let's take a look at the sales page. This, of course, is an SEO optimized sales page, and this entire ecosystem is designed over time to generate free organic traffic. So you can see from those few words we added, it created the headline, it created the body text for the sales letter, and it allows your guest to enter their full name and their email address, which is captured into your database. That in itself is exciting, and it's a game changer. Now, you're not limited to this look. You can actually change the color, and as you remember, you can add videos and you can do other things. So now let's take a look at the actual course. So we're going to look at the View Members area, and remember, these colors can change. So we're going to look at Introduction to Affiliate Marketing. And remember, you can add a video into here. I didn't for the demo. You then have the next section of the course. And again, you can adjust these messages. Here's the next section. All written by AI, all produced in mere minutes, and all driving you free traffic. But let me give you the paradigm shift. If you're either a lifetime platinum member or a monthly platinum member, when you give away these courses, you're creating organic traffic for yourself, and you're creating organic traffic for your tier 2 members. And this has the potential over time to explode your tier 2 commissions that you earn as a platinum member. So free members, yes, you get 3 of these free membership sites. We'll teach you how to actually optimize them. You can drive traffic for anything related to affiliate marketing using the artificial intelligence. These sites will be created in mere moments. We pay for the hosting. We pay for everything. And if you did want to upgrade and have more than 3, there is an option to do that as well. So my name is Dori O'Neill. Take advantage of this bonus. It's exclusive to my team. It's exclusive to my members. And so as a member of my Master Affiliate Profits team, you get the $5,000 YouTube viral funnel bonus. You get 365 days of motivation, which is our daily dose motivational email series. You get everything done for you on your Aweber setup for the $5,000 YouTube viral funnel. You get your welcome messages, and you also get this free organic membership site traffic driving system absolutely for free when you become a member of my Master Affiliate Profits team or a member of my members' Master Affiliate Profit group. Thank you very much. We'll see you on the success side of Master Affiliate Profits.